I am God, Kenneth Fernandez Lamog, Filipino. Lucifer, Messiah, Saint Valentine. Dakilang Abnay Prussia, 333 Russians. Pinoy o Philippines. Saint Valentine. I got Trisky on my side. I offer you all fraternity, heaven, salvation, and solar energy.